every once in a while, a revolutionary product comes along that changes everything. And we're introducing
Priest Platform.
So thank you very, very much.
Rapid fire. I started off with watching a UCLA video talking about financial statements. I just wanted to get a brief overview on what they are. And then I quickly switched to running my actual virtual machine with Linux server on it. And I quickly set up just a simple HTML page showing that it's running. And then over here, I found the CS50W course that Harvard provides, and it's online for free. And so I just started watching it, and I'm learning how to fully create a platform to be used on the web. And now here I made it so that on the 2 ports, there are different task lists. This is so that it's like a profile where one person has a different profile and the other person has a different profile. I made this using ChatGPT and the Harvard course. It was pretty easy to set up and implement. So currently I'm waiting on going to work. I just wanted to give some updates on how my platform's doing. And so far we got a lot of progress in, especially with our profile area. I had a no user interface or any design. It was just raw, but all the data and the SQL stuff works, which is good. But I think the most important thing about the platform is to create the database with not light version, because the database has to be already built in very professionally so that I don't have to change it later, which could probably cost money, which is bad. But so far we're doing pretty good, and I do really think I need to speed it up a little. I had my end test 2 days ago, so I kind of needed to lock in for that. And good news, thank you to the glory of God, I passed first try, which I really prayed on that. But yeah, thank you to the Lord that I got that done, and now I need to work on this business. And now here I had it more, I guess, styled, even though it's still very raw. But as you can see, it's less complex, and you don't have to go to a lot of pages. It's just on one page. You put your bio, your username and everything, and you post it. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to present to you the all-new Priest Platform beta version. Enjoy. So now that I got some stuff done with especially the profiles and looking at what priests are available, I am going to add in the sign up process an authentication where the priests go on a interview with us so that we know that they're real priests and not just random people trying to kill people, because if someone's going through something and some random guy just hops on the platform and says, yeah, I'm a priest, and then starts talking trash, then obviously the person will feel very sad and give them the wrong advice. So we're gonna have the sign-up process that you just saw. Instead of just being, oh yeah, just putting in words, you're gonna have to go onto a Zoom meeting with us and talk about who you are and what you do, and that you're an official priest and an official mentor. So yeah, that's what we're gonna add. And I mean, a lot of progress is done today, and as you can tell, the laptop is completely broken. It's really bad. Like, it's getting worse by the second. And so I didn't stop there. I just got a monitor and connected it with that. And also, a thing that was motivating me today to keep coding is I wouldn't even say it as a stock, I placed it as a bet on RBC, the company to do good after dividends, and it's doing terrible. And I'm losing like $20, so I was motivated by that to keep doing it. Because one income source is not working, so I need to do the other one to help people instead. So yeah, a lot of progress done, and hopefully we'll keep going.